During this presentation, I will provide you with guidance on how to generate and complete special assignments for one or more employees in PoliceStaffer. Staffing administrators, supervisors, and authorized personnel from all units, whether sworn or non-sworn, commonly perform this assignment. PoliceStaffer's intuitive and user-friendly interface simplifies the process. Before we proceed, please ensure that you have successfully logged into the PoliceStaffer platform using your unique login credentials. For this demonstration, let us assume that we are logged in as a supervisor responsible for overseeing the patrol unit. It is important to note that PoliceStaffer is equipped to manage both sworn and non-sworn personnel, including teams led by civilian staff of any kind. This means that a sworn supervisor overseeing a non-sworn departmental unit, such as budget, communications, or any other non-sworn unit, can make the same adjustments shown in this presentation. Likewise, a non-sworn supervisor or staffing administrator can make similar changes to sworn personnel if their access levels permit. To complete this assignment, we have the option to access the assignments page from either the dashboard or the roster page. Since we are currently on the dashboard, we will click on the Tools button located on the left-hand side of the page. This action will prompt the Tools menu to appear, where we can select and click on the Assignments button. The Assignments page is now loaded. This page is straightforward and user-friendly, with easily comprehensible components. Allow me to elaborate on its features. The options for selecting the right employees for our assignments can be found on the left panel. To extract employees for new assignments, we have the option to use the unit, unit's location, shift, and a set of date range parameters. Next, let's navigate to the Supervisor or Non-Supervisor Options section. It is important to note that there are three distinct categories available: non-supervisory, supervisors, and senior supervisors. For our specific requirements, we will click and select the non-supervisory option. By choosing this category, we can effectively extract and isolate employees who do not hold supervisory positions, such as patrol officers. Afterward, a list of assignments will be displayed. If our desired assignment is not listed, creating a new one is a simple and straightforward process. In this instance, we will select the front desk assignment as our current choice. I will enter comments in the comments field, and these comments will be displayed in the roster page's comments field for reference purposes. Furthermore, these comments will also be included in the final roster report. Next, we will proceed with selecting the date ranges. Once we have chosen the end date, the system will display all employees who belong to the selected unit, location, and shift for the specified date ranges. The next step is the early or late assignment duty hours to set. The default setting for this control is turned off. However, by switching it on, we gain the ability to adjust the arrival time for the assignment. This switch is primarily intended for police patrol sergeants, who are responsible for overseeing officers, detectives, and other personnel, typically starting an hour before roll call. In the roster section assignment options, we should choose the Both option. This selection ensures that the assigned employee appears in both the administration and non-administration sections of our roster, providing comprehensive visibility across the board. However, there will be instances where we need to assign an employee exclusively to the admin section of the roster. This typically applies to employees with a duty status of light duty, who are required to appear only in the admin section of our roster page and end report. In this case, we will then select the admin section option. Next, we will proceed with the employee selection process for this assignment. The chosen employees for different dates have been identified, and all that remains is to click on the Process Assignment button. The system will take only a few seconds to complete the transaction. It's worth noting that the selected employees are now color-coded in yellow. Now, for this demonstration, we will select another employee. But in this case, we will change the assignment, and instead of the front desk, we will select Rear Gate as our newly selected assignment option. We will click on the Process Assignment one more time. As a result, we can see that none of the other employees have been affected but this last employee. Now, how can I revert an assignment given by error, you may ask? That's not a problem. We can easily resolve this. We just need to select the employee in question and then click on the Reset Marked Records button. The system will recognize the flag associated with this employee and revert back to their original assignment. As we can see, PoliceStaffer offers unique user-friendly and straightforward features that enable users to complete tasks with ease by simply clicking a few buttons. In contrast, other systems lack the same level of functionality integrated into PoliceStaffer. This concludes this presentation, and thank you for watching.